Today we'll be taking a look at the materialpods app for Android devices and Samsung phones. It's a free app from the Play Store and it gives you that pop-up animation for Apple Airpods or the Powerbeats wireless Bluetooths. And you can use this on Android 15 smartphone, which is what I'm testing it out on this time around. I've tested it out with Android 13 and 14, so let's see how it works. Make sure your AirPods or your Bluetooth is already connected and then put them back into the case. Then we'll go back to the app and open it up. When you open up the app for the first time, you will be prompted to give it permission for certain features and functions. For the one that says display over other apps, just go down the list and look for materialpods and set it to allow. Then close it out and reopen up the app once more and continue with the remaining permissions that it requires you to. From here now, you will be able to choose which style of AirPods you have. And of course, you'll see that status information there. So mine is the AirPods 2 and you would choose your model. And you can also choose the style of animation for the pop-up or how it looks when it shows up onto your device there. For the remaining set of features, just go back and look for the pop-up area where you can adjust the margin for the animation and also choose the indicator style and the pop-up content as to what's going to show there as well. All right, so it's really customizable. There are some features that are pro, which means you gotta pay for it, but the free version gives you that pop-up animation. Now, honestly, I was always disappointed with this AirPods app for Android devices because it always had that ad playing over the pop-up animation, unlike the others. So we'll do this one more time and see how it works for Android 15 devices. And that's what I'm talking about right there. I don't know why they continue to put it there. To me, they should remove that because it's just not cool, honestly. And there are two other Android AirPods app that does not have that with no ads, and they work just great. So material pods, you guys got to change that. And that's that. Like I said,